Hello, I'm Mike from musicradiocreative.com. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing the Mackie MR624 studio monitors. These are big, heavy beasts. The MR624 from Mackie are 6-inch powered studio monitors. What does that mean? It means that you plug each speaker individually into mains power, so you get what are called active studio monitors, powered from the mains current. They will produce an awesome sound that will no doubt fill your studio and probably fill the whole neighborhood if you turn them right up. So I'm looking forward to getting stuck in and unboxing. Let's do the unboxing right now. Some pads for the bottom of your studio monitors. A user manual, which actually looking through it, I really like the fact that it's pretty intuitive, including, if you've never wired up studio monitors before, this wonderful wiring diagram. There we go, 7.5 kilograms of powered studio monitor from Mackie. Fantastic. Oh, they've got a nice finish actually. They feel really good to carry. Superior accuracy and clarity, acoustic space control, ultra-wide dispersion. Let's talk a little bit more about that now. First of all, taking a look at the front, you've got the tweeter at the top, you've got the bass woofer at the bottom to get the full frequency response. And what's really cool about the Mackie MR624 series is it can be hooked up with other Mackie products. So if you want to get a subwoofer and really feel the music or the audio you're producing, if you've got a bassy voice and you want to rumble the whole room, grab yourself an MRS10, which is Mackie's subwoofer, and it's designed to hook right into the wiring of this speaker. Now let's flip this speaker around and take a look at the back. So as you'd expect, you've got inputs for TRS, XLR and RCA jacks, whichever you need to use with your monitor. The possibility is available. Power on and off button, and that's where your mains power goes in. As expected, you've got a level. This is a very small little level control. It's got a nice little notch bit in the middle to show that that's the central part of your volume control for each studio monitor. High frequency filter included, so you can duck the high frequency or increase the high frequency as needed. One of my favorite features with the Mackie MR624 is you can choose your acoustic space. Now, we don't always have the luxury of being able to sit in the center of a room and have our studio monitors on nice big poles so we can get a beautiful sound. Sometimes they're squeezed away against a wall, which is obviously not a good thing with studio monitors, or sometimes even worse, they're in corners. So that's where Mackie have introduced this control, space A, B or C. A is for regular, middle of a room, nice, sweet sounding space. Then you've got setting B. This is if you're pitched up against a wall with your monitors, just reduces the bass, helps the sound to still stay clear. And C, if your monitors happen to be in the corner of your studio, stop all that muddiness and bass bounciness. Really, really cool feature. Okay, let's get them on the stands here in my studio and see how they look. There they are sitting on my studio monitor stands. They look fantastic, and most importantly, they sound fantastic. Let's turn up the bass. Wow, Mackie MR624 6-inch powered studio monitor speakers, even bigger than the studio monitors I used to have in my studio, and the beautiful Mackie Running Man and green power light to show that your monitors are active. They really pack a punch and sound amazing in my recording space. Mackie is a part of the Summer of Sound. If you want to win these Mackie MR624 studio monitors, 15 kilograms combined of music power, make sure to enter the awesome audio gear giveaway at mrc.fm/giveaway. That is mrc.fm/giveaway.